Good morning, friends. I hope everyone is doing well. I request everyone to watch my videos in a sequence for better understanding. If you really like my teaching and my efforts, please press the like button, share the videos with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell button to get the regular updates. In the last video, I have discussed how to convert a one flip-flop to another flip-flop. All the steps I have discussed. Am I right? To make you understand the concept in a better way, in this video I will discuss one example. I will take an SR flip-flop and want to convert into a JK flip-flop. So I request everyone to watch the complete video for better understanding. So let me discuss how to convert a SR flip-flop to JK flip-flop. Okay, so we want to convert a SR flip-flop to JK flip-flop. Now what is the step 1? Find the characteristic table or the truth table of the required flip-flop. We want to convert a SR flip-flop to JK flip-flop. So here what we want the JK flip-flop. So take the required flip-flop characteristic table or the truth table. So what is the characteristic table of the JK flip-flop? You will have J and K are and Qn are the three inputs, and you will have the output as Qn plus 1, where Qn is the present state and Qn plus 1 is the next state. Now if you have three input variables which are binary variables, how many input combinations you will get? 2 power 3, 8 input combinations you will get. What are they? You will get 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, these are the 8 input combinations you will get it. I hope it is visible for you. Okay. Now we need to find the corresponding Qn plus 1. If you have watched the discussion related to the JK flip-flop, I already discussed the truth table or the characteristic table of the JK flip-flop. What it is, if J and K value was 0 and 0, Qn plus 1 is equal to Qn. Okay, so whatever the value is there in Qn, you will get it in the Qn plus 1. When J and K values are 0 and 1 respectively, whatever the Qn value, Qn plus 1 value will get 0, 0. Similarly, you will get 1 when J and K value as 1 and 0. If J and K values are 1 and 1, then whatever the Qn is there, its complement will come in the Qn plus 1. So I can write it as Qn plus 1 is equal to Qn complement. So 0's complement is 1, 1's complement is 0. So this is the truth table or the characteristic table of the JK flip-flop. What is the step 2? We need to find the excitation table of the given flip-flop. What is the given flip-flop here? SR flip-flop. So we need to find the excitation table of the SR flip-flop. How can I get the excitation table of the SR flip-flop? From the truth table I can find it. So let me find the SR flip-flop truth table. I will have SR, Qn and Qn plus 1. I will again get the 8 input combinations such as 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. These are the 8 input combinations. Now if you look at the SR flip-flop truth table, for the 6 combinations, whatever the JK flip-flop will give, SR flip-flop also will give the same output. But when it is 1 and 1, this will be complement, but however it gives the invalid output. So it is 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, it is invalid. Am I right or wrong? This is the truth table of SR flip-flop. From the truth table or the characteristic table, we can find the excitation table. How can I find the excitation table? I will take the Qn and Qn plus 1 are the two inputs and the outputs are S and R. If you have two inputs, you will get 4 combinations 0, 0, 0 1 1 0 1 1. Now how can I find the excitation table? You can find the excitation table from the characteristic table. How? You check it. If they are asking if Qn is 0, Qn plus 1 is 0, what is the corresponding S and R values? See it here, you have 0 0. Here also you have 0 0. What is the S and R values? 0 0 0 1. So S value is constantly 0. R value is varying 0 or 1. I can write it as don't care. Are you able to understand it or not? Similarly, if you take Qn is 0, Qn plus 1 is 1. 0 and 1. Any other combinations you are getting? No, only this one, which is 1 0. Are you able to follow it or not? Similarly, if it is 1 0, Qn is 1, Qn plus 1 is 0, you check it. Anywhere else you got it here? No, which is 0 1. Are you able to understand? Similarly, if it is 1 and 1, this is 1 and 1, this is another 1 and 1. What is the corresponding S and R value? S value is 0 and 1, R value is 0. So R value is 0, S value is don't care, means it can be either 0 or 1. So we got the excitation table of the SR flip-flop. Now using this one, I will fill the remaining table. Okay, what is the remaining table? I need to fill the S value and R value excitation table. Now you check it. If it is 0 0, what is the S and R value? Qn is 0, Qn plus 1 is 0. What is the S and R value? 0 and don't care. Am I right or wrong? Similarly, if it is 1 and 1, what is the value? Don't care and 0. If it is 0 0, we already got 0 and don't care. If it is 1 0, it is 0 1. If it is 0 1, 1 0. Are you able to understand? If it is 1 1, don't care and 0. If it is 0 1, 1 0. If it is 1 0, 0 1. So we got the S and R values. Okay. Now using this S and R values, we need to simplify this Boolean expression. How to simplify it? This is a 1, this is 1, this is a don't care and this is don't care. For the corresponding inputs J, K and Qn. Now as you have the three variables in the input, using the K map we can easily simplify it. Okay. So can anyone tell me how many cells will be there in the K map? As you have three binary variables, you will have 2 power 3, 8 cells will be there in the K map, which is JK, Qn. You will have 0 0 here, 0 1 here, 1 1 1 0, and you will have 0 and 1. Are you able to follow with me or not? Now you take the each one. First don't care, which is 0 0 1. 0 0 1 is the don't care. Now 1 is there, which is 1 0 0. 1 0 0. Then 1 0 1. 1 0 1 is the don't care. Is it clear? Similarly, 1 1 0 is the 1. Now what is the meaning of the don't care? They can be 0 or 1. If it is required for you, the don't care you will consider. Am I right or wrong? Otherwise you will neglect it. Now if you see that these two ones I can join. If there is a don't care here, then I would have taken it as a 4 group. But we don't have a don't care here. I cannot make it as a 3 as a group. Are you able to understand? These two ones and this one I cannot group it. Am I right or wrong? So I will group these two ones. Now check the what is the value. S is equal to, take the column 1 1 1 0. What is common? 1 is common, which is J. And at the row, Qn complement is the value. So you got the S is equal to J Qn complement. Similarly, we will simplify it for the R. So we will use the same K map to simplify the R also. Check it wherever there is a don't cares and ones are there. 0 0 0 is the don't care. Here you take the don't care. And 0 1 0. 0 1 0 is the another don't care. 0 1 1. 0 1 1 is the another one. 1 1 1 is the another one. So we have the two ones. So I taken the corresponding min terms. You have two don't cares, I have taken the corresponding one. Now these two ones I can make it as a one implicant. I no need to use these don't cares. Okay, R is equal to, what is common in the column side? 0, 1, 1, 1, which is K. Okay, and here you have the Qn. See how I am getting this one? This is nothing but J complement K. This is JK. Now take which is common. K is common. That's why I am taking here. And here it is Qn. And this is Qn complement. So Qn is common. Okay. Are you able to understand it or not? Now using these two equations, we will construct the, or we will convert the SR flip-flop to JK flip-flop. So they have given the SR flip-flop, draw the SR flip-flop. That is what they are telling. They have given the SR flip-flop. So you have S and R, you have Q and Q complement. Okay, you can consider them as Qn and Qn complement also, no problem. Okay, and you have the clock. Is it clear? Now what is the S is equal to J and Qn complement. Okay, J is the input. Okay, and they are saying that Qn complement. Take this Qn complement and both of them has to perform the AND operation will be given to S. Are you able to understand it or not? Similarly, R is equal to, take the K as an input and Qn is the another input. Qn is the another input. Let me erase this one so that you will understand. Qn is the another input. Apply the AND gate between them and connect to R. So this is the way we have to convert the SR flip-flop to JK flip-flop. So now this total one is the JK flip-flop. So we have taken the SR flip-flop and we converted it into a JK flip-flop. I hope you have understood the entire process how I have done. If you still have any doubts, don't worry. I'll discuss another one example in the next video. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.